Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon. Actually, this is still the morning time. Good morning, such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So this is Napoli. I have arrived in Napoli, and yesterday or the last video I did a voiceover of my travel from Beijing to Paris, and then from Paris to Milan, and then from Milan to Napoli. And now I am going to go from Napoli, the airport, to, I just landed at the airport, going to an island called Ischia or Isia. So this is the old port, and maybe I shall tell you some story because I was traveling, so I do not have when you travel, your bank usually send you a message that you have spent money overseas, and they send an email to confirm. I missed that email, so I could not use my credit card, and I did not change because I was in a rush. I did not change money into euro. So I came to Napoli without any euro. I took a kind of taxi, something, and that driver was so funny. He was driving here and there without stop, and like crazy. My heart even jumped to my throat, and he was driving and talking with his hands, gesturing. Anyway, this is my luggage. I take these two luggage, and arrived in Napoli. Finally, I arrived at the old port, waiting for my boat, waiting for my ferry to go to Ischia Island, because I did not have euro. So a €4 trip, I paid $20, and then I go to buy the ticket, the boat ticket. Still, I do not have any money. Nothing works. I still have $20, so I bought the ticket, $20 to buy a ticket of €14. So the lesson for it is that if you travel, always make sure that your credit card works. And sometimes it does not work. It's not the end of the world. You can have some US dollar, and make sure you have some small bills. US dollar is accepted quite widely everywhere in the world. So anyway, there is a problem, there is a way you can get through it. And this is easier, and in front of your eyes is the Aragon castle of Isia. Is a medieval old castle. We have visited. It's quite interesting. You see the history. You see the old time. This place used as a torture chamber, and in the night it's illuminated, very beautiful. we will have another video to talk about the trip of this, the visit of the castle. So here I am on the boat. I am finally arriving at Ischia and met my family and sailing in Mediterranean. In the night, we slept in the boat and we sailed, used the sail and blow with the wind, go with the wind. It is quite an experience, especially just after the trip from Beijing, which is so cosmopolitan, a big cosmopolitan city, and very much indoor. The outdoor, because of traffic and because of my family matter, I didn't go very much outdoor in Beijing, mostly in some bookstore, supermarket, and shopping mall. It's an absolutely amazing, fascinating indoor world. And now I am in the ocean and seeing the horizon, seeing in front of my eyes is the endless water, endless sky, endless far, far away horizon, and it's such a change, such a spirit or spiritual journey. I enjoy it. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.